folks, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have another unboxing. I am 99% sure this is an ever moment that I've been waiting for. And we'll see if that purple ribbon appears and confirms it. Phoebe and Charlie are running around as usual. Someone said they wanted to see more of them, and I tried to put them in some videos, but there's an appearance by BB. Good girl. It's really up to them if they want to join in or not. They are very happy being near me. I think that's their job. Oh, I see a purple ribbon. Yay! Okay, come on, hand, work. This is interesting. This is in plastic and bubble wrap, but you can see the tube got smushed and the end cap is down in there. You know, there's really only so much they can do without driving up the cost. I mean, and the reason we get these so cheap is because they're from China to begin with. If you start driving up the packaging cost. All right, this is a 40 by 50 from Ever Moment on AliExpress. There's my tools. I have tweezers, a squishy pen, 2 things of pink glue, a white tray, and the pen has a single tip, a 3 tip, and another 6 tip extension in there. And labels and bags. I wonder if anybody works out of the bags solely. The first thing I did was get something to hold my drills, and then more to hold my drills, and then more to hold my drills. Okay. Empty. It is a dragon coming out of his shell, a little baby dragon. Very cute. My free gift is more silver and gold stickers. Ever Moment is very good about giving gifts. Okay, let's see. Go flat. Don't forget, if you haven't done it yet, go on Facebook and join our Facebook group. Love to hear from you. People are just starting to join, so it's an exciting time. If you get in soon enough, you can be a founding member. I guess Facebook just gives that designation now to people. They're kind of making it fun to be in these groups. Okay. Isn't that cute? Here he is. Extending his wing. First little moments outside of his shell. As usual, the Ever Moment canvases just come out beautifully. No wrinkles, no problems. Well, there's a little tiny crease, but that's okay. Let's see the symbols. Symbols, hopefully you can see that, are nice and clear. We have a table, 38 colors on top of an inventory sheet. Everything is very nicely packaged up in this Ziploc bag. And I'm gonna leave it like this. It's too nice to crack it open. I will check it all one by one before I put it away, and I will put everything into the notes for you. Let me know in the comments if you really want to see me count. Sometimes I feel like I'm taking a video of me counting. Let me know if you really want to see that. I sometimes feel like people just don't want to see that. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.